Realme Watch S with blood oxygen monitor and a 15-day battery life to launch on November 2nd. Realme Watch S is set to make its global debut on November 2nd. The smartwatch, which boasts of features such as heart rate and blood oxygen monitors, 16 sports modes and a 15-day battery life, will be launched first in Pakistan. Realme Watch S will have a circular dial and be available in multiple watch faces and strap colors. The Realme Watch S Pro is also expected to be launched in the next few months, but the company has so far not revealed a set date for the same. The unveiling of the smartwatch will take place through a live event that can be watched from Realme's Facebook and YouTube page on November 2nd. Realme had shared a teaser announcing the upcoming launch of the Realme Watch S on Twitter. It is possible that more information about the Realme Watch S will be revealed closer to its launch. Realme Watch S specifications. The Realme Watch S will have a 1.3-inch auto brightness adjustment display. As per the teaser, it will have multiple health monitors such as a heart rate and blood oxygen monitor. It will feature 16 sport modes, and have a 15-day battery life, as per Realme. Meanwhile, the Realme Watch S Pro is expected to be launched in the coming months as well, as revealed by the company at IFA Berlin 2020. The upcoming smartwatch will also sport a round dial and an AMOLED display. As per a US FCC listing of the Realme Watch S Pro, it will have a 1.39-inch Touch AMOLED display and 420 mAh battery. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.